everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to do something so cool. I'm going to take my seed phrase and transfer it on steel plates. My name is Romy and I make videos in tech and follow my curiosity. You definitely do not want to miss out because some of these things can impact your everyday life. In case you missed these series, the last few videos have been all about Bitcoin. You can of course go back and check them out over here. I bought my first ever Bitcoin, set up my hardware wallet, withdrew the Bitcoin to my wallet. In the process of setting up my wallet, I got something called a seed phrase. Now that's the same seed phrase we'll be putting on steel plates today. I know what you're thinking. Why all this effort? Like, am I going overboard here? The seed phrase, which is on this piece of paper, is a list of 12 to 24 words. Depending on your wallet, anyone who gets access to the seed phrase can access your crypto. Now, if I lose my wallet, as long as I have access to my seed phrase, I am good to go. I don't need to worry. Plus, it's on a piece of paper right now, which I can always misplace or lose. And on top of that, sometimes I can't even read my own handwriting. We really need to make this more secure. Step one in this whole process is buying the steel plates. Now, I've already gone ahead and done it. I bought the Cobo Tablet. I bought it off Amazon like everything else I buy these days. The reason I went with this one is that it has great reviews and a friend of mine used it and recommended it highly. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. Amazon has a ton of options if you search for steel plates, so if you like something else, feel free to go with that. Before I unbox this, let's talk about one thing. When you are entering your letters in the steel plates, for most steel plates, you just enter the first 4 letters of each word. Now, this is no guessing game because all the words in a seed phrase come from an original master list which has 2040 words. Once you enter the first 4 letters, there can just be one word. I saw a lot of bad reviews on Amazon for this steel plate because everyone was like, how on earth are we supposed to know the whole word just based on the first 4 letters? It's because when you cross-reference it to the original list, there can just be one word. So no bad reviews of the steel plates because of the first 4 letters, okay? Alright, are we ready? Let's unbox this package together. I am so excited to do this. I'm opening this and I see a screwdriver and the steel plates. They're quite heavy and solid looking. The plate slides open like this. It does take a little bit of effort. I'm starting to get the picture now. There are blank spaces for 1 to 12 on this side. If you do this for the other side, we see 13 to 24. Now these are where my actual words will go. Okay, I'm going to check out the rest of the box and see if there's anything else. Metal plates with letters on them and some stickers. I'm not much of a sticker person. If it's your thing, that's cool. That's all in this package. Now we need to get the letters onto the plates. I'm going to unscrew these metal plates. These screws are so tiny. One side is done, and that really didn't take that long, although there were a couple of stubborn screws in there. Now I can start on the other side. All the screws are finally removed, and I'm going to slide these open. It's pretty easy to open them. There is a place to enter the first 4 letters of each word in the phrase. I'm going to get the words onto the plate now. Wait, let me grab my seed phrase paper. I know we are friends here on YouTube, but even then, I can't show you all my seed phrase. I still want us to try a sample word together so we can see what the process looks like. So let's see. I'm going to pick the first word from the master list. Abandon. The first 4 letters are A, B, A, N. So let's put those in. I'm going to grab the metal plates and then just yank these out. So you can twist and yank them out. And they do come out pretty easily. I'll find all the letters now. I'm going to put all these letters in the first space and then close it. This is not super smooth, but the easiest way I think here is just to lift it a little and then close it if you don't want to mess all the letters like I just did. Then of course, screw everything back in and your seed phrase is super secure. Alright, I'm going to go off and do it for my actual seed phrase now. This took about an hour for me, but now it's all done. I'm left with a bunch of half-used letters and a small cut. But everything is screwed back on and it's all secure. Here is the final plate with everything secured. I'm going to put it inside and store them in a safe place. We are all done here. So what's next? Now we've already explored what receiving Bitcoin looks like by withdrawing some money into a wallet. In the next video, let's see what sending some Bitcoin looks like, and I'm going to send some Bitcoin to my friend and also examine what an actual transaction looks like on the ledger. If you like this video, as always, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Hit me up in the comments with any other questions you have. Bye.